So next mod we're doing, we're gonna change the mirrors to these ones. These ones look very slick, very cool, not these big ones. We're gonna clean up the look a little bit. So first thing we have to do is untie these two bolts here and then these two bolts here, so we can remove the mirrors. And also the next thing we're gonna put on are these things here. So let's get started. Came out very easy. So how it looks right now. Now we're gonna remove the left side. So same process, very easy. Just unscrew these two right here, just like this. Here comes one, here's the second one. Oops. And you just push this inside. As easy as that. So this is how the bike looks without the mirrors. Looks very good, looks very sick, but I need mirrors. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna install the new mirrors. So we just got the one side on. I had to learn how to do it. Now I'm gonna teach you how to do the other side. So I'm gonna show you how to do the left mirror right now. So once you get this adapter thingy, you wanna put it right here, just like this. So remove this. Stick it in here, just like that. Come on the other side. Put these two on. Once you put these two, then you want to tighten these two bolts right here. It's easier if I get on the bike. So also we're gonna put back these two. They were already on the old mirrors. We're gonna just put these two so that we cover the screws and it looks cleaner and nicer. And next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna mount the mirror. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna loosen this screw right here so that this goes down so we can mount it. So just loosen this up. Very tight. Okay, just like that. Grab the rest of the parts. Put this here. This goes here. This goes on top. Grab the Allen wrench. Position this how you like it. You can also twist this. So once you position the how you want to position it, you just tighten this right here, just like that, and it's done. Looks so much better. Can't believe it. how good it looks. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Peace.